Good day, ma'am. This is Jacob Daraman, base Green Block B. This is my final output of human rights. Number 1. Is human rights is a right or a privilege? Can human rights be restricted? If yes, when? This is my answer, ma'am. Human rights are the fundamental rights and liberties that every person in the world has from birth to death. These rights can, however, be limited by someone circumstances such as when a person defies the law or the interest of national security or pandemic preparedness. Number 2, ma'am. What are the circumstances when a warrantless arrest is human? This is my answer, ma'am. A warrantless arrest, often known as a citizen arrest, is legal under the rules of Court 113 Section 5 when the person to be arrested has committed, is already committing or attempting to commit infraction in the presence of police officer. Number 3, ma'am, in letter A. Are employees in the public sector allowed to form unions to strike? Why? Here's my answer, ma'am. Section 8, Article 3 of the Constitution allows employees in the public sector to form unions. However, they cannot go on strike as explained in the Social Security System Employees Association Court of Appeals 175 SCRA or SCRA 686/1989. In terms of conditions of their employment are 6 by law. Employees in the public sector cannot strike to secure concession from their employee. Letter B. The teacher claimed that the right to peaceably assemble a petition government of redress or grievance has been curtailed. Are they correct? Why? My answer. Teacher cannot claim that their freedom to peaceably gather to petition for redress of guidance of grinding the way they want to, according to Bangalisan Court of Appeals. They can exercise their privilege without disrupting lectures under 276 ISCRA 1997. Number 2. Soledad, a widow school teacher, takes under her wing one of the students, Kiko, 13 years old, who has abandoned by his parents and has to do odd jobs in order to study. She allows Kiko to live in her house, provides him with clean clothes, foods, and a daily allowance of 200 pesos. In exchange, Kiko does routine housework consisting of cleaning the house and doing errands for Soledad. One day, a representative of Dole and that DSWD came to Soledad's house and charged her with violating the law that prohibits work by minors. Soledad objects and offers as a defense that she was not requiring Kiko to work, as the chores were not hazardous for Further, she did not give him chores regularly but only intermittently as the needed may arise. Is Soledad defense meritorious? Is Soledad's defense meritorious? Here's my answer. Soledad's defense of meritorious. Section 4D of the Kasambahay Law, Republic Act number 10361, provides that the term domestic worker shall not include children who are under foster family arrangements. And I provide access to educate that and given an allowance incidental to education, i.e. baon transportation, school project and school activities. Number 5. Do workers have a right not to join a labor organization? My answer. Every worker has the right to self-organize, to create or join any valid workers' union without the government or their employee interfering with their activities. All workers have the right to join a union of the purpose of collective bargaining, and they are eligible to do so on the first day for employment. And last, number 6, cite at least 10 rights guaranteed to all human beings under international treatments without any discrimination or grounds such as race, color, sex, language, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth or other status. This is my 10 answers now. The right to life, the right to freedom for torture, the right to equal treatment, the right to privacy, the right to asylum, the right to marry, the right to freedom for truth opinion and expression, the right to work, the right to educate, the right to social services. That's all, ma'am. Thank you. This is my final output. Thank you and God bless. Keep safe.